Hi guys, welcome to the video. In this lecture, we are learning about few concepts on JavaScript. Then we can dive into the more about JavaScript. Okay, let us continue the section. Uh, in this today's lecture, we are learning about objects, functions, difference between where, let, and constant, and modules, and many more things in this video. So, initially, what are JavaScript objects? They are nothing but a collection of related data and functionality. Store data in key value pairs. For this example, let us consider let user name Alex, age 25, is today 2. Yeah. Usually user is name of the object and it is declared by the keyword let. In this we the key value pairs are name Alex, uh, age 25, and is student 2. In this key is name and value is Alex. So both combined called a key value chain. In this way we can create an object. So okay, let us discuss more about the objects. So we can easily access, add and change or delete the objects. So how to access the properties of the objects? So when we want to use the name pair, key value pair, we can use it in this way. So uh, user which is nothing but the object name dot the key name. It is Alex. Similarly, we can use in this way also. It is called dot notation and this is called bracket notation. So how to manipulate the properties of the objects? We can add new properties or new key value pairs to the existing objects in this way. Object name dot key is equals to value. This way we can add new properties. And how to modify an existing property in the object? We can reinitialize or redeclare it. So in that way we can change or modify the objects. So how to delete an property from the object? So we can just use the delete and object name dot key name which we want to delete from it. So now let us move forward and discuss more about the nested objects. So nested objects can contain other objects with complex characteristics. It is usually some complex and compressed to simple object. So let us see an example. In this object name is car and key is make and value is Toyota, and next key is engine. In that we have nested objects which are type, which is again an key value, and v6 is a value, and horsepower is a key, and again 266 is a value. So it is two key value pairs inside uh, value of an car object. So we in this way we can utilize the information present in the nested objects. So methods. So let us see about the methods. Methods are nothing but the functions stored as object properties, which defines a behavior. So let us see an example. Let person key again a key value and again a key on the in value we have placed a function. Yeah, then even we have used a console to print the this statement, which is hello my name plus this name. This name is a function which will be discussed later in this video. So now let us discuss about the next topic, which is functions. So what are actually function means? Functions are nothing but use blocks of code for specific tasks. Usually the main function of the functions are three, which are reusability, organization, and readability. Yeah. Now let us discuss much more about the functions. So there are three common ways to create functions in JavaScript. One is function declaration, another one function expression, another one is arrow function. How initially function declaration syntax will look like this, which is a function add, which is a function name, a count here the parameters which are passing to this function, and return which we want to return the value of the function. And next one is function expression, uh, constant, subtract, and function name, and again the return. Guys, welcome to my channel. And today we are learning about introduction to JavaScript. And so now discuss about the function expression. We have which we completed. So now let us move to the arrow function, which is necessary. In this way we can initialize and declare the arrow function. We can use it constant multiply, which is a function name, and we compare the parameter that we are passing to this function, and we have initially we have to use this arrow, uh, yeah, this arrow to differentiate the arrow function from the other functions. So now we have to discuss about this keyword, which I have mentioned earlier. So the first this keyword refers to the object executing the current function. Its value changes repeatedly. Usually it only refers to the only that object itself. If it is used in object method, if it is used in a regular function, this refers to the global object. If it is used in the arrow function, this keyword is inherited from surrounding code, which is more predictable. So now let us discuss about the differences between the where, let, and const. Variable declaration keywords with key differences in scope and reassignment. So where it's actually an order by function scope, and let is a modern and reassign and block scope, and const is a modern cannot reassign and block. These are the differences between. And we can use the rule of thumb, which is use const by default. Let if reassignment is needed. However, usually in this course we use a maximum constant, and let in some places we rarely use the where. So our last topic of this session is scope and hosting differences. Also, what is actual scope means? Scope is nothing but where a variable can be accessed. We have previously mentioned about the where and let and const. Actually, where is a function scope, let and constant block scope. Block scope helps to prevent bugs. So let us now discuss about the hosting. Declarations moved to the top of the list. Where is hosted and initialized as undefined. Let and const are hosted but uninitialized temporary zone. So let us see one example of it. Where hosted console.log mywhere. The output is undefined because mywhere is not declared anywhere in this program before the console log. Now it is declared using where. Uh, a string is passed into it. So now when we run the code console.log where it gives the output of hello because we have mentioned earlier. So in this way we can uh, use the variables and const and let. This is the uh, some basics about the JavaScript. So if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments. So thank you.